Merry Christmas from Lisbon!
It's Christmas in Lisbon and the city is alive in celebration. Charlies glide along festively lit streets, adding a very unique touch to the holiday spirit. In Praça de Comércio, there's a giant Christmas tree adorned with Christmas lights and ornaments, making it a breathtaking centerpiece.
It sure is. You know, my favorite part of all of this are the Christmas markets with delicious foods and drinks, inviting both locals and visitors to indulge. Along the sidewalks, guys, you can smell the aroma of mouth-watering food and roasting chestnuts. The entire city is adorned with Christmas decorations and lights, making Lisbon the perfect place to celebrate the Christmas season. Now, there's a lot of food waiting to be eaten, so I say we just get out of here and head up to the market and go chow down. He's about to kung fu you.
He said no.
He said that?
He did, that's why I stopped.
Oh.
I should have kicked him.
He would have kung fu kicked you, babe.
He said no.
And he's right under the Christmas tree. Christmas in Lisbon is absolutely bonkers. It is packed with people here. We're at the market, it's loud. The performers, there's street performers everywhere, vendors everywhere. Look at this street performer. Oh.
Che mi mordi, poi non aguenta.
That's good.
Oh, it's really nice. When you try this, is like a drug. You never can stop.
Really?
Yeah, really. I tell
Alright.
you.
Okay, how much I owe?
Just this?
Yes.
17.
So I've been dying to taste this all night. It's just really ham and cheese sandwich on like a traditional bread. It costs €7 and you get these two halves. You saw how the guy made it. He actually scooped out the cheese from this big, something that looks like a bowl that contains cheese, and then he used this big wooden spoon and he smeared it all over the bread. Looks delicious. Time to try.
Jesus, you're having a fight over there.
Wow. This is really good. I mean, the ham is rich. It's very cheesy. It's a perfect spread between the cheese, the ham, and the bread. Oh my gosh, it's so worth the wait online. You gotta try this. This is good.
All right, I can't wait.
This half is yours. Alright guys, there's this thing called hot wine here. I don't know if it's a traditional drink, but I've seen it in a couple kiosks and I've been dying to try it. After that delicious sandwich, it's time to washed down with something. So I'm choosing the hot wine.
Yes, and I don't see a kiosk that's selling hot chocolate. So I don't know. We have to continue looking because while you're drinking your hot wine, I would love some hot chocolates.
We gotta find one that sells both. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Don't waste it. That's good.
Would you get very good?
Oh, I think that's enough. Now, from what I've read, this is likely vino quente, which translates to like a hot wine or mulled wine. It's made by heating wine and kind of infusing it with like spices like cinnamon, cloves, and sometimes citrus fruits like orange slices. The result is a delicious cup of warmth that you can enjoy at Christmas season and in cold weather. This one was actually infused with orange slices. I can taste the cinnamon and I can probably even taste the cloves, but it is delicious, it's warm, and it's worth it. Alright guys, so we just literally arrived at the Christmas Wonderland here in Lisbon's Parque Eduardo, and it's a sight to be seen. There's a giant Christmas tree, there's a giant wonder wheel, there's an ice skating rink, and there are also kiosks, and they're all selling all kinds of ornaments and tasty treats. We're literally wandered into a lively Christmas market with twinkling lights and decorations everywhere.
We really enjoyed Lisbon Wonderland. What I loved the most was the giant Christmas tree, the wonder wheel, and the bustling kiosk, which added a festive touch. But let's not forget about all the Christmas lights and decorations. It created a nice holiday vibe. Guys, we are going to wrap it up here. Our Lisbon Christmas adventure was awesome, and we are truly enjoying the holidays.
No matter where you are in this world, we hope you're having happy holidays and
And
a Merry
Christmas!
Christmas! See ya!